Hey guys, today I'll show you how to add collaboration to your Instagram videos and pictures even after you have posted them already. Kindly watch carefully so you don't miss a step. Firstly, kindly choose the post you would like to edit and add the collaboration to. Now tap the three dots by the top right corner of the post. Select the Edit button. Now you can see the option which says Add Collaborators close to your username. As soon as your collaborators accept your invite, your post will instantly be shared to all their followers. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more.